Hi, Vanessa DeBurlet here, and I want to show you how to edit the thumbnail on your YouTube video. If you're new to making YouTube videos, this is something that you may not know. It's a very simple tip, but did you go and make a YouTube video and you went to load it and found that the picture at the beginning of the video was not the picture that you thought you were going to have? I assumed that when I made my first video that whatever face I was making at the beginning was the one that would be captured, and it's not. What YouTube does, it captures 3 different screenshots randomly, and you do have the option to go in and select which one you want. Now, hopefully, the one that you made, the face that you made, will be there, or maybe a better one. So let's go ahead into our YouTube channel, and I'll show you where those thumbnails are so that you can pick the best of the 3 that you want. Are there other ways? Absolutely, but this is the simple way if you're just getting started, and it's good to know. So let's go into our YouTube channel. Up here in the right hand corner, I just went to www.youtube.com. Go into your avatar, or select your avatar, and then go under my channel. I'm going to select Creator Studio. Basically, I want to find my list of videos. And that is what's popping up now under Video Manager. If you're in and out of here a lot, sometimes you'll come back and you'll be at a different place. So I will give you a step sheet at the end that you can capture with your phone if you would like. But basically, what you're trying to do is get to Video Manager and you have a list of videos, whether they're private or public, they will all be listed together. So I'm going to go to this one here. I had a face that I made at the beginning. I held it for 5 or 6 seconds like I was taught, and it did not show up. YouTube actually chose this one instead, and that's not the one I wanted. So just select Edit. There is a drop down arrow to the right of the Edit, but you don't want to select that. You just want to select the Edit tab there. And as you can see, 3 different thumbnails popped up. I wanted this one here where my hands were up. I was trying to get attention for a quick thing that I was doing on a Facebook group. And so I'm going to go ahead and select the one that I want. And then up here in the top right corner or at the bottom of your screen, you just select Save Changes. Now, it will take a few seconds to save, so don't get discouraged if you go back in immediately and it's not saved. It does take a few seconds. Once you save it, that will be your new thumbnail. That's simple. Now, let me go ahead and give you the steps that I promised you. Go ahead and capture this, save it someplace so you have the steps just in case you forget, and subscribe to my channel. My goal is to provide you with simple, step-by-step instructions on how to do some of these social media things to help you with your network marketing or online business, or if you just want to have fun. I know, especially those of us that weren't raised with the social media at our fingertips as we were growing up, it's a little bit of a challenge, and sometimes some of these things, our kids or our grandkids, they just take it for granted. They know these things, and not all of us do. So that's what I want to provide for you, kind of like network marketing tips simplified. All right, subscribe to my channel, and I promise I will provide more of these for you. Have a great day.